the answers for geometry. The first one is to look at the shapes and color them as per the table given below. So here we have the first one, which is a circle. So here this is a circle and this is a circle. The next is a triangle, which needs to be blue in color, and let's identify all the triangles. So we have triangle 1, 2. Remember, the orientation may be slightly different, so you'll have to look at all possible triangles. These are the 4 ones. And then we have the square, which is red in color, and we mark this with red color. And we have the rectangles, which are yellow in color, and we have 1, 2, and 3. The next question is about the number of sides and corners for the shapes which have been given below. So here for the first one, we have the number of sides. If you count the ones which are these lines here, you will see that there are 7 sides and there are 7 corners. Corners are the ones which are these corners. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Similarly, here you have sides, which are these lines here. When you count them, there are 6 of them, and there are 6 corners. And here you have lines which are these, so which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 sides, and the corners, which are these, remember you should count these as corners too, are 12. The next one is about true or false. We see that the circle has 2 vertices. Is this right? This is false because circle has 0 vertices. A triangle has 4 sides. A triangle has 3 sides. So this is false too. A rectangle has 4 diagonals. A rectangle has got 2 diagonals. So this is false. And a triangle has no diagonals, which is absolutely true. So I'll mark it as T. Draw all possible diagonal lines for the shapes given below. So diagonal is where we draw a line from one corner to the other. So you have diagonal 1 and you have a diagonal 2 here. And for the rectangle here, I have the diagonal here and I have the diagonal which is here. Use a straight line or a ruler and it will help. And here I need to draw the diagonal which is to the opposite corner. So from each corner I take and join it to the opposite corner and get the diagonals. And here when I see this has already been joined, so I just need to join only this. So here we have cube. We need to match it to the properties here. So we have cube here which has got 8 vertices. We have the cone which has got 1 edge. We have the cylinder which has got 3 faces. And we have the sphere which has got 1 face. The next question is to draw the lines of symmetry. Remember, line of symmetry is the line along which you can fold to get 2 equal halves. So here you have the line of symmetry from this end joining to the opposite side. Here you have the line of symmetry from this end joining to the opposite side. This is the line of symmetry here. And this is the line of symmetry here. The next is tick the shapes which will tessellate. Tessellate means when you place these kind of figures alongside, there should be no gaps or there should be no overlaps. This will tessellate. This will not tessellate because it has got a straight edge and that will create a gap there. So this doesn't tessellate. Here, when I place another one this way, there will be no gaps, but when I place them this side, you will have gaps here. So this does not tessellate. This one does tessellate. The next one also tessellates because you place it alongside. There are no gaps since they are straight sides here. And this one also tessellates. For more worksheets, log on to Luma World.